let's check what is my husband doing during Christmas time. Honey, Merry Christmas! So this is the objective. So basically we want to cut puzzles from wood. Oh, thank you for glasses. This is for safety reasons. You need to wear such glasses. So the technique we use to cut wood is the laser cutter. And this is how it looks like. Wow. We decided to go for hexagonal puzzles. This is still something quite original, not crazy, doable within one day. Wonderful setup. And this is our basement. And the reason for that, if you see this pipe here, because actually the unexpectedly cutting wood means getting very smelly. So you normally you can't do this at home. That's why we needed to go to the basement. Let's just wait. I know this is the hardest part, waiting. 1 hour later. Knock knock. How is it going? Oh, glasses. My glasses on. Let's check. Almost ready. It's not that I can see a lot, but I can see that there is something. A lamp? Oh, now it's romantic. Okay. Wow, beautiful. Finished. Finished. Hello, elephant. Nobody sees me. Come on, little guy. The engraving and the bottom.